CapCut app add a new feature called copyright check. In this video, I will show you how to use this new feature. First thing to get this new feature is to go to CapCut app and open it like this, as you see here. Now, for example, I want to use this new option to check a copyright of any music. For example, this video, as this video here, I want to check a copyright for this audio or this video or this music, for example, before I upload it to YouTube. For example, this audio here, I click on it like this. Then what you're gonna do, you go to click on audio like this. When you click on audio, you see this is in the down menu of CapCut app. You find copyright check, as you see here. When you click on it like this, it shows you this processing running copyright check. You wait for until he finish checking your copyright video or music. Then it show you if your video have an issue with copyright or not. We wait until he end, as you see here. It takes some minutes to check your video copyright or your copyright issue. Then he tell you, or he said to you if there is any copyright in your video. As you see, when he finish, it show you if any copyright issue with your video. If not, it tell you it doesn't have copyright. So this is how to check your copyright on your CapCut app with a new feature called copyright check. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and goodbye.